The Overseas Nursing Job Fair, held last year, has turned out to be a major turning point for 27 nurses from Meghalaya who are all set to begin their professional journey in Japan after completing Japanese language training. With their newfound skill, the nurses will be placed across various hospitals and care homes in Japan. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma met with the teachers and students involved in this initiative. He expressed his pride, stating that it is great to see nurses from the state move out and serve people overseas. He also urged others to come forward and take the opportunity not only to earn livelihood overseas but also to enhance their knowledge and career. The training was conducted by 10 Japanese teachers at Navas, a testament to the program's success.
The efforts that we had started have started to bear fruits, and today we have 27 of our nurses who have got placements in Japan, and 18 of them have got placements in Singapore. And the training program is going on very well, and we expect that in the coming months and the coming years, in fact, many more of our skilled manpower will be given the opportunity to work in different parts of the world.
I would like to thank first God for keeping me safe all this time, my parents, my relatives, and our Chief Ministers, Conrad K. Sangma, and our government and the Meghalaya State Skill Development Society for giving us this opportunity.
The Chief Electoral